Experience driving perfection in the 2008 Ford Fusion. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include front fog lights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and a split-folding rear seat. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.